This seems done for now. Good enough for the meeting.
Sometimes, the difference isn't how hard you work. It's how much you notice. The word we are covering today is meticulous. You're meticulous when you don't just finish a task, you refine it. You see the details that others are too rushed to catch. Meticulous doesn't indicate being slow, and it's not about being a perfectionist. It means you care enough to get the specifics exactly right. Some things don't need more time, they just need more attention. A meticulous student doesn't just check an assignment before submission, they verify all standard details.
I revisited every citation and fixed all the formatting issues before clicking submit.
That's not extra effort. That's attention to detail. A meticulous professional doesn't just send a report. They protect their reputation.
I double-checked the data tables to make sure there wasn't a single error for the client.
That's not overthinking. That's precision. And finally, a meticulous parent isn't just organizing a trip. They're ensuring peace of mind. I mapped out the route for our road trip and packed the documents carefully so the day goes smoothly. That's not stress. That's care in action. Now, let's look at a few related words. Careful means you avoid obvious mistakes. You check the document for spelling errors. That's being careful. Thorough means you cover everything required. He included all required points in the presentation. That's being thorough. But being meticulous means you polish it until it's elite. Careful is the start, but meticulous? Well, that's the finish line. He refined every slide until it was clear, consistent, and polished.
Title corrected, and formatting done as well. You were right. Now, it actually looks like I care.
You don't need to do more to do better. You just need to start working with more intention. Be attentive. Be precise. And once you're able to prioritize details in your work, consider yourself meticulous. Because details are where quality shows.